Welcome. Today we're going to be talking about how to make custom printed labels using printable vinyl. And we are going to start with what you'll need. So you can pause this right now, but we're going to use Royal Elements matte printable vinyl, a printer, Canva, and then scissors. You could also use a vinyl cutter. So here's the printable vinyl we're using. It's matte. Link in the description box for that. And then we're going to also have this candle. So you need something to label. Now we're going to go to Canva and we're going to create a custom 8.5 by 11 inch fresh design page. So if you haven't used Canva before, very brief tutorial. I'm going to go into the Elements tab and I'm going to type in candle label. Now I have a premium subscription, but you can get a lot of free options without paying. I think it's $15 a month. So we selected this label and I'm going to create a candle label with our logo. Okay, so I have the logo here for Royal Elements, and let's say we sell candles, which we don't. We only sell the sticker paper, laminating sheets, and things like that. But let's say we wanted to sell these candles. Okay, so we are creating a text of the brand name. Okay, and then we are just making it a little bit smaller. All right, so you can see I am adjusting that down, the font, so it will fit inside of the label. I copied and pasted it, and we're going to put a small description. So brand name up top, the logo in the middle, and then I just said premium grade. Okay, you might want to be a little more thoughtful and edit that as you see fit. So I grouped them together, and you can see me dragging. You can see the little black text box. I like to go for about a 2-inch tall label, and I'm going to copy paste a couple of times and copy those labels. So I'm dragging them in the middle for this demonstration. I'm not using the full sheet, but maybe if you wanted to get more value out of that, although it would expend more ink, you could absolutely fill the entire page all the way to the edges. So hitting the download button, we're going to use a PNG file. Okay, PDF has been okay, but I've tested lots of these and PNG just has a sharper, higher resolution image. So I'm downloading the PNG file, and here we go. We now have our design file, and we are going to use this to print with our printable vinyl. All right, so here's the design file. Next, we're going to look at the printer. This is an HP Color LaserJet Pro. You can pause to read that, and we're going to use our printable vinyl. I'm just going to stick it on top of the printer for now. I'm going to pull out the regular printer paper, the copy paper, pull that out, and then go into the printable vinyl, and we're going to put one sheet at a time. Do the main feeding tray, which is down here for me, one sheet at a time so it does not jam. Okay, that's going to help you out. So it's going to print. Again, this is a laser printer, and our printable vinyl is compatible with both laser and inkjet, and this is how the laser printer printable vinyl labels turned out. That is a tongue twister, but that's how they look. Now, here's the part where I skipped ahead a bit to 6 times speed, cutting out the label using scissors. You could use a cutting machine such as a Cricut or Silhouette. But if you're on a budget and you're just doing this for a hobby, a small craft, scissors are completely fine, you guys. Now, we're just gonna stick the label on, make sure it's clean and dry underneath, flatten it out, and here's how it turned out. Hope this video helped.